how to remove your favorite spotlight on Snapchat. Hi everybody, if you're wondering how, you can follow the steps. So for that, you can open up Snapchat into your device. From here, all you gotta do is at the top left corner of your screen, you should be finding a profile. You can tap on it. And once you do, you should be finding this interface. So all you gotta do is scroll down. And you will be finding a profile page. Now you can scroll down, and when you do, you should be finding Spotlight and Snap Map. So head over to View All. After doing so, you should be finding all of your snaps here. Now go ahead and locate up your favorite spotlight from the section. You can long press on the snap that you want to delete the spotlight. And once you do, you should be finding 3 options on your screen. You can tap on the option that says Delete Snap. Once you do, you need to confirm the delete snap. So you can confirm it if you actually want to delete it by tapping on this delete option. After doing so, it will be deleted. So that is how you delete your favorite spotlight on Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.